ways it's worth its money. The ammonia's not as bad because it's drier than the gas heat. You know, it's just all a plus.
Well, the farmers that's putting this in are seeing a lot better environment in the house. They're seeing less ammonia, drier litter. It's a better environment for you to work in the house, plus your chicken. You know, better environment for the birds. So we're getting a better quality bird. So it's just a win-win.
They've really done great. They've done more than what they had said when we started with those.
So we're getting less moisture, less ammonia, drier litter, so, you know, and getting a quicker weight gain and bigger birds.
And it's been good to me for over a year now. I've had them this July, it's been a year ago.